For those who are new, my name is Shantriza. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the care, love you've shown me. Thank you for supporting your girl. Nawapenda sana. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Let me know what you want to see in the next videos, and if there is any complaint, let me know bado kwa comment section. Msisahau kusubscribe and hit the thumbs up. Love you. See you in the video. Mwah. So guys, as I was moving out, paka ilikataa kutoka kwa bed. So bed ndio ilikuwa ya mwisho kufunguliwa. Yeah, lazima ningekabembeleza because mali nimehamia, they don't want pets. So I had to let it go. I tried to get someone mwenye anaweza achia but nikakosa. Yeah, then nikaita gari, so ilibidi wamepack vitu before putting the bed juu yenyewe huyo mnyama. I was like, no, not my baby. Yep. So yeah, alafu nikakuja nikamaliza kupanga nyumba, sitting room nikapanga, then nikapanga jikoni, then yeah, I took a nap, then woke up the next morning, started doing house chores. Yes, venye mnaona nimeanza na curtains and everything. Yep. Continue watching. Msisahau kusubscribe. Nawapenda sana. Msisahau kusubscribe and comment please. Nawapenda mtaa. Guys, this is the final look after kumaliza kuosha nyumba. So ilibidi nimechange mali nimeka ile kitamba to the downside, but my phone went off, sikufika kuvlog there. Yeah, in the other bedroom mali nimeka shurak, and this is the sitting room before mtu wa kumount TV afike. Yeah guys, nawapenda. Thank you so much. Mwah.